Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to continue to look at how to solve rational expressions. So this time, the rational equation we're looking at is 3x plus 5 over x squared minus 5x plus x plus 4 over x plus 5. I'm sorry, that should be x squared plus 5x in the denominator on the previous one. And that's equal to x plus 1 over x. So first, to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and simplify, or factor this first expression. So I get 3x plus 5 over x times x plus 5. And then the other two expressions I'm going to leave alone. And now I'll go ahead and multiply everything through by my least common denominator. In this case, that's x times x plus 5. So in doing that, I get 3x plus 5 plus, and remember I have to multiply every term by that x times x plus 5. So in the second term, only the x plus 5 cancels out, so I'm left with an x times x plus 4. On the right-hand side, just the x cancels out. So I'm left with x plus 1 times x plus 5. So now I'll go ahead and expand what I get out of this. So on the left-hand side, 3x plus 5, and then I'll distribute the x. So I get x squared plus 4x. On the right-hand side, I'll multiply this just like I would any pair of binomials. So I get x squared plus 5x plus x plus 5. And now I can combine my like terms on both sides of the equation. So I get x squared plus 7x plus 5 equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. I subtract x squared from both sides, those terms go away. I subtract 5 from both sides, those terms go away. I subtract 6x from both sides, I'm left with x equals 0. So that's our proposed solution. But now we need to plug this back into the original equation. So I get 3 times 0 plus 5 over 0 squared plus 5 times 0 plus 0 plus 4 over 0 plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 1 over 0, and right away we can see that that's going to give us trouble because we cannot divide by 0. So the only proposed solution we got out of this is invalid, so our conclusion is going to be that we have no solution. So that will do it for our discussion on rational expressions, rational equations. In the next couple of videos, we're going to take a look at radical equations.